Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 16th June 2026. Vedanta's long-awaited demerger culminated with the listing of 4 newly spun-off businesses, triggering a sharp market re-rating and unlocking about Rs 63,500 crore in shareholder value. Since the demerger's April 29 ex-date, investors have gained roughly 22.5%, with the combined market capitalization of the 5 standalone entities rising from Rs 3.02 lakh crore to Rs 3.66 lakh crore. India's jewellery sector anticipates strong growth. Weddings and festivals are driving demand even with high gold prices. Retailers report good revenue and customer interest. This trend is expected to continue into the next quarter. However, a recent duty hike may cause a temporary slowdown. Consumers are adapting by choosing lighter jewellery and investing in gold bars and coins. India's Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman highlighted significant economic challenges. These include fluctuating foreign exchange and crude oil prices. Rising fertilizer costs are also a concern. The nation anticipates a potentially weaker monsoon this year. The government is actively preparing for this scenario. Adequate buffer stocks are being maintained to ensure supply stability. HUDCO aims to secure $1 billion in foreign debt. This will be achieved through the Reserve Bank of India's concessional forex swap facility. The company is engaging with international entities for this fundraising. This move supports HUDCO's lending and business growth requirements for the current financial year. Anil Agarwal's Vedanta Resources Limited is set to refinance $5.2 billion of US dollar bonds and loans as it seeks to lower borrowing costs following recent credit rating upgrades. The refinancing will cover $3.6 billion of bonds maturing between 2028 and 2033 and $1.6 billion of loans due from 2028 onward. The UK-based conglomerate has hired 8 banks including Barclays plc, Citigroup Inc., Deutsche Bank and JP Morgan Chase & Co. for the deal. India's office property market is set for strong growth. Leasing activity is expected to reach 85 to 90 million square feet by 2026-27. Global capability centers and flexible workspaces will drive this expansion. Vacancy rates will remain stable and rentals are predicted to increase. Geopolitical tensions may impact costs but not immediate demand. Japanese power giant Chubu Electric is set to invest around $150 million in Indian renewable energy firm Continuum Green Energy. This deal will give Chubu a significant stake in Continuum, a company focused on wind, solar and hybrid power of businesses. The acquisition highlights Chubu's growing interest in India's clean energy sector. Young consumers are now driving major decisions at established food companies. Gen Z and millennials are influenced